Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had inaugurated the state-level workshop on Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission MECDM with the theme Unleashing Every Child's Full Potential for a Bright Tomorrow at Yojana Bhawan, Secretariat Building on the 26th of September 2022. Earlier, the Chief Minister also launched the logo of the MECDM during the inaugural session. The one-day workshop was attended by officials from the districts and blocks of the state. Addressing the gathering, Conrad K Sangma said that early childhood development program is a very critical program where people start focusing on children only when they are 14 or 15 years of age, even when the early phases of a child's life are very critical and its impact can last a lifetime. Sangma added that the process of a baby's development begins from conception and is influenced by a pregnant woman's health, nutrition and environment, and after birth the baby continues to develop rapidly, impacting his or her physical, intellectual and emotional well-being, learning potential and subsequently earning capacity and success in adulthood.
The logo is the...
As a state and as a community, we start focusing on children only when they're 15 years old. In fact, we leave the children to do what they want till they're 10 years old because they're too much of a headache for us. That's the mindset. And that's why I use this word in the beginning. I said mindset. It's very, very important to change the mindset. And I keep telling people the biggest change and the most difficult change to bring is not development. The biggest change and the most difficult change to bring is the change in the mindset of officials, of leaders, of public. And hence, this important change in the mindset is very critical. This early childhood development is going to be an investment, as mentioned. We will be able to make our children more productive. They will be having a much better thinking capacity. So therefore, it's not a small program, and please don't take it lightly. You will look back after 15 years and you will remember this time and this day when this training took place, and you will remember all these things happening and say, yes, we made the difference and the change in the people and the children's lives, and today our state is at this level because of what we did.